Hello friends, I am Pranjal and welcome back to another exciting video based on computerized accounting with GST. In this video, I am going to perform SOP number 3 of computerized accounting with GST. As you can see on the screen, I have placed image of the question given by the board book. With the help of any open source or free education version accounting software, enter the following transactions in appropriate voucher by creating a company. Company details are as below. Company name Messrs. Swastik Garment Suppliers. Company address MG Road, Industrial Estate, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. PIN code 431001. Website www.swastikgarments.com. Email ID info@swastikgarments.com. GSTIN 27 KLMN A 4321 V1Z2. Books beginning 1 April 2017. These are the company details which we have to fill while creating the company. There are two transactions given. First is on 1st July 2017. Purchase 150 pieces of t-shirts at the rate of rupees 450 per piece with GST 12% from Messrs. Jalaram Textiles 1/05 Sector B, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, PIN code 382010. Second transaction is on 2nd July 2017. Sold 100 t-shirts at the rate of rupees 600 per piece with GST 12% to Messrs. Dress Align Garments, Shirdi, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra 423107. Print GST Computation Report and Sales Tax Invoice. In this practical, we have to perform the transactions which are happening are one transaction is of between two states and one transaction is inside the state. As you can see in the first transaction, we are purchasing t-shirts from Gujarat seller and we are selling t-shirts to a buyer in Shirdi. For this, we have to mention the percentage of both the transactions separately, because in the first transaction there will be IGST and in the second transaction there will be CGST and SGST. So let's get started with our transaction entry. As you can see on the screen, I have shared my laptop screen with you all. This practical I am going to perform with the help of Tally ARP 9, which is freely available. You can download it freely, and in Tally ARP there is an education mode through that we can enter our transaction freely. The icon looks like this after you install the app. I'm opening the app. After the Tally RP gets open, it shows you 3 options, like 3 to 7 options. Within that, we have to select the working education mode. After you select that, it will take you to the Gateway of Tally interface. While you are using this software for the first time, there will be no name of company here. It will be completely blank. As I have used it earlier, it is showing this. These is the various functions of Tally through which we can create ledger, pass entry. But before that, we have to create the company. To create the company, we have to either press F3 or you can select it from here, right side, company info. Click on that. Before creating company, I am just shutting this company from here. Shut option allows you to temporarily shut the company from the interface. And after this, the first step which you will do is to create the company. Name of the company is given as Messrs. Swastik Garment. Suppliers. Then enter. Address is given as MG Road, comma, Industrial Estate, comma, Aurangabad, enter, because if I continue to write there, the words will be very small. And the last thing which is left is comma, Maharashtra, enter. Then select the country and state is Maharashtra. Then pin code 431001. Phone number is not given. Mobile number is not given. Fax number is also not there. Email ID is given. That is info@swastikgarments.com. Website is also given, www.swastikgarments.com. Then book beginning is given from 1/4/2017. Automatically, if you select the financial year beginning from, the same will be applied to book beginning from, and it will be changed automatically. If you want to set password for this company details, you can set it here, Tally Vault password. Right now I'm not setting it. You can either leave it too, it is not compulsory. Then accept all. And then go back to Gateway of Tally, and after that select the F11, or from right side select features, and then go to statutory and taxation and enable the goods and service tax as yes, and set alter GST details as yes, and the GSTIN we have to write, which is given 27 KLMNA 4321 V1Z2, accept all. Accept this also, and then go back to Gateway of Tally. So to create the ledgers, we have to go in Accounts Info and then Ledger, and then create single ledger. First ledger which we need is Purchase Ledger. Purchase T-shirt account, and under group will be purchase account, and then is GST applicable? Select applicable, set alter GST details as yes, and nature of transaction will be intrastate purchase taxable, as it is a transaction between two different states. The rate of GST is given as 12%. Enter, accept all, and supply type will be goods. And then accept it. Second ledger which we need is Messrs. Jalaram Textiles. Account. This will be our sundry creditor, as we are purchasing from that seller. And then go to the address section and write the address given in the textbook, that is 1/05 Sector B, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and select the country and select the state as Gujarat, and pin code is 382010, and then GSTIN is given. Sorry, the GSTIN is not given for this Messrs. Jalaram Textile, so leave it as it is, and then accepted. And then the ledger which we need is IGST for this transaction, account, and it will be duties and taxes under group, and type of duty will be GST, and tax type will be integrated tax, and then accept all. After this, I am creating the ledgers for second transaction. For second transaction, we'll need sales account, that is sales T-shirt account, you can change this name, and the undergroup will be sales account. And GST applicable, then set alter GST details as yes. Here it will be sales taxable as it is within the state transaction. Then the percentage is 12, and accept all. And here will be goods, accept all. Second ledger is of Messrs Dress Align Garments. Account, it will be sundry debtors. Address is given, it is Shirdi, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. The state will be Maharashtra, and pin code is 423107. Again, GSTIN is not given. Accept all. And then we need to create CGST account. Undergroup will be duties and taxes. GST, type of duty, and then tax type will be central tax. Accept all. Then SGST account. Undergroup will be duties and taxes. Type of duty is GST. Tax type is state tax. Accept all. And after this, go back, as we have finished creating all the ledgers required for both the entries, both the transactions. Go back to the gateway of Tally. After this, go to inventory info to create the stock item. Before creating the stock item, we need to create the units of measure. For that, go to units of measure and then create. As they have told that purchase 150 pieces, so we need unit as pieces. So symbol, you can write any symbol which you want, like short form of it. And then formal name, write the formal name, full name of it. And then select the quantity code, unit quantity code. Write the first initial of your unit. Then it will show you all the sorted list of that. Number of decimal place 0, and accepted. And then go back. And after this, if you need, you can create a stock group from here. Then single stock group. I'm creating a stock group named as clothes, as a t-shirt is a type of cloth. Then should quantities of item be added? Here write as yes, because we want the quantities to be added, and accepted. Go back and again go back, and then select stock item from inventory info, and then single stock item create. Here write t-shirt, undergroup will be clothes, and units will be pieces. Then accept all, do not write any quantities or rate per. Then accept. And after this, go back to gateway of Tally to enter the entry of the transaction. We need to go to accounting vouchers, and then as the first transaction is of purchase, so select purchase voucher from the right side, or you can even press F9 key. It is a shortcut key. Or write supplier invoice number, you can skip this too, and then write the date. It is 1st July 2017. Party name is Messrs Jalaram, as they have given the details of the supplier. We have purchased the t-shirts on credit basis, so the entry will be purchase account to Messrs Jalaram textile account. Except this, you can also enter details here additional, and then purchase ledger will be purchase t-shirt account, and your name of item, just press the first initial of the name which you have given to the stock item. I have given t-shirt, so I press T, and then select the quantities we purchase is 150 pieces. Rate per piece is 450, and automatically the total amount is calculated. Then double enter, and then press I for integrated GST, and then select IGST, and you can see automatically the IGST is calculated on the total amount. To check whether the IGST is calculated correctly on the percentage or not, you can go to the tax analysis and go to this detailed. You can see integrated tax is calculated on 12%, so it is correct. Go back, and to even if you want to check the calculation, you can click Ctrl+N, or you can select from the bottom, and here you can do the calculations. The total amount is 67,500 into 12%. Here you can see the amount is 8,100. It means that they have calculated the IGST amount correctly. Like this, you can even check. This is the calculator, and the short form or short key is Ctrl+N. Then enter and write the narration as being t-shirt purchased, and accept. Second transaction is related to sales, so select the sales voucher. You can even press F8. I'm writing the reference number. You can skip this too. Then select the date. It is 2nd of July 2017. If it is showing error, just check the period. If you have not changed the period, change the period. Then it will not give you the error. And the party name is Messrs Dress Align Garments account, and this is the additional details which you can fill in if you want, like delivery note, dispatch document number, and all that. If you don't want to add, just and press enter, and then sales ledger will be sales t-shirt account, and name of the item is t-shirt, and quantities that we sold is 100. Rate of that is 600. Automatically the amount is calculated. Then enter twice and select CGST by pressing C, and then SGST You can see SGST and CGST are calculated. Again, you can check it from here, and then you can see 66% is calculated both. Then go back. If like this interface is not visible, you can change it from here, like as voucher. It will give you like this interface, and if you want to change it, you can see like as invoice. Like this you can change it. Then again press enter. And write the narration as being t-shirts sold, accepted. Go back, as both the entries we have passed. And to view the entries, you can simply go to display and then day book. This will show you the day wise entries that we have made. For that we have to select the period from here. Right now it is showing you both the entries. First is purchase, second is sales, amount, debit and credit amount. It is also showing. We have to print the GST report and sales tax invoice. So for sales tax invoice, we have to go to the sales voucher entry and then click on the print from the top. If you want to change the title of this report, you can change from this right side titling. If you want to select the printer, you can select it from here, select printer. If you want to export it as PDF, select the printer as Microsoft Print to PDF. If you want it to be print through your printer, you can select the name of your printer as well. Right now I am exporting it as PDF. So, and press OK and then write yes. It is getting generated. Name your file. It is sales invoice. It is completed. Then go back through escape key to print the GST Computation Report. We have to go to the statutory reports from the display menu and then select GST, and this is GST Annual Computation Report. Select that and select the period. It is correct from 1 April to 31st March, the whole year period. To print this report, just go to this print and then click on yes. If you want to edit the title, you can go here and change the title and accept all and then say yes to print. Name the file. It is GST report. It is getting generated. After this, all our transaction and printing of all the reports are done. Let's check the reports, how they are appearing. That open the folder in which you have saved the files. So this is the GST computation report. Like this it is showing the GST and number of the company, name and address of the company. All the details are given, input tax, credit and all that. And let's check the sales invoice, sales tax invoice. So it is like this. At the bottom they have given the central tax and state tax dividation. We have done all the things related to this practical. Hope you have understood how to perform this practical using Tally ARP9 in your laptop or desktop. If you have any queries related to this practical or any other practical, please comment down below. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which practical you want me to perform in the next video in the comment section. Thank you for watching.